struggling with your biology homework. If you're a student seeking expert assistance in topics like cellular biology, genetics, or ecology, look no further. AssignmentHelp is your solution. We provide specialized support to help you understand complex concepts, complete assignments, and excel in your biological studies. AssignmentHelp. 100% free homework help. Seize the opportunity. Commence your journey with this guiding path. Visit on AssignmentHelp. And initiate your queries by clicking on the tab. Let's have a question based on cell. Begin by directly inserting your question into the body section, copying and pasting it as demonstrated. You can also scan and paste image of your question. Further add relevant keywords or tags to help narrow down and address your question more effectively. Now provide the necessary guest details for making your request. You can also request your query by your existing account. As we can see that here is the problem you requested. Within a span of 5 to 10 minutes, our experts have provided solutions to your query. Time is running out for major assignments. Boost your grades with 100% genuine academic support. Order our custom assignment writing services now via live chat. Start acing your homework today with AssignmentHelp. 100% free homework helper.